Oh, hey there guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another one. Today we have a serious situation. This is gonna get reckless. We are gonna make cheesesteaks, and not just any cheesesteak. I'm from the great state of Wisconsin, so I'm gonna try to represent what cheesesteak means to the state of Wisconsin. The two main ingredients that I feel represent us the most, we're gonna use cheese curds for our cheese, and we're gonna use Johnson filled brats in addition to the ribeye steak. So we got the beer brats, we got the cheese curds, we got the mushrooms, baby portobellos is what I have here. We got green peppers, we got onions, we got some butter to saute these ingredients. I got the great value sirloin Philly cheesesteaks. They come in packages like this, and they're frozen, pre-packed for the sandwiches. I'm gonna cook mine frozen. I'm gonna throw it right on the griddle frozen. What else? Oh, you gotta have some good hoagie rolls. So that's the name of the game. My game plan is to griddle up this brats out of the casing. So I'm just gonna take the inside out, grind it up, get it all nice and griddled up, griddle up these steaks, saute the veggies, and what we're gonna do is grill the cheese curds till they're nice and golden brown, put our fixings on top of the cheese curd, our bun on top of that, scoop that bad boy up and slap it on a bun. That's the game plan. So without further ado, let's get right into the cook. But before we move on any further, I need to ask you guys a favor. Can you please like the smash? Can you please like the smash button? Can you please go smash the like button? I sure would appreciate it. That would help the YouTube algorithm. I think I said that right. And that will help me get my videos out to more viewers just like you. And that is our goal here at True North Cafe. So without further ado, let's get to cooking, guys. Okay, first things first, let's saute some veggies. Get some butter down, some butter. I don't know if you guys know this, but if you're using a griddle, you're gonna be using butter. Okay, onions down. I'm gonna go peppers down, and I'm going to go mushrooms down. Okay, get rid of these two bowls now. Set those over on our little dish tray. Get that butter all nice and incorporated into our veggie mix. The smell of onions, green peppers, sauteing, good Lord. I'm also going to use Blackstone's Essential Blend for my veggies. I think we'll have plenty of seasoning with the steak because we're adding the beer brats and the cheese curds, but the veggies I think need a little spice, and we're going to use this Essential Blend. Acha, 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 cha, 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 cha. Good enough. Getting some nice color on these suckers. Oh yeah. You're right. That's one way to do her. That's one way to do her. Veggies are getting close, guys. Okay, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to take all these bratwursts right out of the casing because I want it to be like a chopped steak. I just slice them down the center. The casing comes out nice. Just like so. Okay. I like where my veggies are at. Put these veggies right over this way. They'll continue to cook here. Beer brats and the cheesesteaks on the griddle. Put them down just like that, just frozen and all, guys. I'm gonna separate these out into 5 piles. Otherwise, I know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna get going, and it's gonna be go time. And you know what's gonna happen? I'm not gonna get these piles right. Those look about even, don't they? These things are gonna be some heavy hitters, man. Okay, let's see what these. Oh, these got longer to go. See what these look like. Yeah. Something just like that. Let's give these a flip. Ho 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 ho. Look at them veggies. Look at them veggies. Told you we had a situation going on. So once these cheesesteaks thaw, watch what happens. Boom, 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 boom. If it was up to me, them cheesesteaks are almost ready to rock and roll, guys. See how medium rare we got them? About medium rare. Okay, I gotta try one. Oh, that is outstanding. Okay, I'm gonna mix everything together. I want those cheesesteaks to get, or that sirloin to get all incorporated with that. Just like so. I gotta save one for my wife. So my wife doesn't like onions and peppers, guys, so. And then the rest we're gonna slide right over into this, our sauteed veggies. We're gonna mix it all up. And scrape the griddle. It's almost cheese time, guys. This is gonna happen fast. This is gonna happen real fast. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get 5 of these out. I'm gonna start steaming these buns a little bit. Just like this. Just get a little steam on them. Just loosen them up, get them a little warm. Okay, let's see how this works. Okay. Want the cheese about as long as the hoagies. I have the griddle on low heat for this cheese trick here. If you got it on high, it's gonna get out of hand way faster than you can think about. Oh yeah. Okay. Put our buns right on top, just like so. All right, let's try my wife's. Let's see what this one looks like. Ready? Cheesesteak. All right, okay, next one. Oh my goodness. Look at them. Woofda. How about them Phillies? How about them Philly cheesesteaks, eh? Holy smokes, guys. I told you we had a situation going on. Let's give one a try. We'll slide this one off. I'm gonna try this guy right here. Okay, cheers from Wisconsin to you guys. I can't even begin to explain how good that is. As always, I want to thank all you guys for watching. I sure do appreciate you, especially if you made it this far in the video. Thanks for following along. Until next time, we'll see you later. Thanks, guys. All right, now that the video's over, let's chow.